Okay, so I just wanted to document the problem I'm having with my 2009 Toyota Verso 2-litre diesel d4d. So if I turn things on, I have the engine light which stays on. Okay, and if I start moving the car, hopefully you'll see. Okay, so no issues at the moment. If I just try and back up a little bit. At some point, this is the same after every restart. Back out of my garage. Doesn't start immediately until okay, you see it comes up with the traction control light, the handbrake light I guess it is, and the check VSC system on the dashboard. Okay, so I have this OBD thing. Hold on a minute. Try again. Okay, link failure. Okay, I have to turn things off maybe. Let's have the ignition on. Okay, so it's found. So we are Asian vehicles operating in Europe. Toyota. It doesn't have my model, unfortunately. No Verso. So I guess the nearest thing is an Avensis. It has the same kind of engine, often. And that's the most recent date, so 2-litre d4d, Denso injection I think. Okay, so there's nothing obvious. Tests, read codes, and if you've got read codes, it's p1271. Unfortunately this doesn't know what that means, so if I go to read codes again, p1271. So having looked on the web, this is supposed to be linked to the SCV, or the control for the SCV, suction control valve apparently, or the injector driver unit, or the cabling in between, either a short to earth or an open circuit in the SCV circuit. So I've bought a new EDU from eBay and I'm going to try changing it. Wish me luck. So under the bonnet, I'm afraid I don't know a huge amount about diesels, but having done a bit of research, here we have the diesel pump, and I believe this thing here is the SCV. So it's apparently, according to the fault code, either this thing here, which is wrong, the cabling in between, or it's difficult to see, but down here, this thing with the heatsink on it is the injector driver unit, which is connected to the ECU. So let's have a go, see if we can fix it. Okay, so I've changed the the EDU, the injector driver unit. Just been for a quick drive, and as you can see, no engine light, no VSC light. So it's only plugged in temporarily for the moment, so I have to bolt everything up again properly. But touch wood, it seems to have done the trick. I hope this has helped somebody out there. So it was engine code 1271 p1271 on a Toyota Verso 2009 d4d 2-litre diesel, 1AD-FTV I think they call them. Good luck if you have the same problem. Bye!